In the heart of downtown Salt Lake City stands the City and County Building. Completed in 1894, it was designed to project permanence, stability, and civic confidence at a moment when Utah was still a territory just 2 years away from statehood. The building is a powerful example of Richardsonian Romanesque architecture: massive stone walls, rounded arches, and deep-set windows. It was meant to feel immovable, deliberately heavy, and intentionally enduring. Its exterior is faced with hewn sandstone, quarried in central Utah and prized for its workability. This stone made possible the extraordinary carvings that cover the facade: faces of explorers, native leaders, pioneers, animals, and symbolic figures that turned the building itself into a story told in stone. Above it all stand 5 statues, each representing ideals the city wished to place above its power. At the center of the tower stands Columbia, personifying the American Republic, unity, responsibility, and civic continuity. On the north side is Liberty, emphasizing freedom and individual rights. To the south stands Justice, holding scales to represent balance and a sword to symbolize the authority of the law. On the east and west ends are twin figures of commerce, acknowledging prosperity, trade, and the labor that sustains a community. The figures are female, not to depict women, but to embody timeless ideas, visible reminders that principles endure above shifting governments or fleeting authority. A universal symbol of contemplation can help us see the same truth in different light. Rodin's The Thinker, seated, hand on chin, silently reflecting on weighty decisions. Like the statues above the building, it reminds us that power must be guided by thought, care, and responsibility, not haste or whim. The building's permanence was tested in 1934. A powerful earthquake struck Utah's Hansel Valley at the northern tip of the Great Salt Lake, sending shockwaves across the Wasatch Front. Buildings like this one were especially vulnerable. The damage was limited, but the warning was clear. A refit completed in 1989, engineers have lifted the entire structure and placed it on a base isolation system similar to the downtown Provo Temple and the Salt Lake Temple restoration projects. Layers of steel and rubber designed to absorb earthquake energy. During a quake, the ground moves beneath the building, while the structure above remains comparatively still. What stands today is a 19th century symbol of authority preserved by 20th century engineering. And from above, the statues continue to watch silently, reminding us of reflection, responsibility, and the enduring ideals placed long ago in stone.